Artificial intelligence, it's everywhere these days. From voice assistants to self-driving cars, AI is transforming the way we live. But with great innovation comes great misunderstanding. Here are 10 myths about AI and the truth behind them. 1. AI can think and feel like humans. Despite how movies portray it, AI is not conscious. It doesn't think, feel, or experience emotions. Instead, it's a powerful tool that processes data and executes algorithms, no heart or soul involved. 2. AI will take over all human jobs. While AI automates repetitive tasks, it also creates new roles. Think about AI developers, data scientists, and ethics consultants. Instead of replacing humans, AI complements and reshapes industries. 3. AI is always accurate and unbiased. AI learns from data, and if that data has biases, the AI reflects them. Developers need to actively manage and correct biases to ensure fair outcomes. 4. AI can learn anything on its own. AI doesn't have free will. It relies on humans to train it using specific data sets. It won't magically learn to cook if it's only trained on driving data. 5. AI systems are completely autonomous. Many AI systems require constant human oversight. From programming to troubleshooting, humans are an integral part of AI operations. 6. AI and machine learning are the same thing. Machine learning is just one piece of the AI puzzle. AI also includes robotics, natural language processing, and more. They're connected but not identical. AI creates something out of nothing. AI generates content based on patterns it's trained on. It doesn't invent ideas, it works with what it knows. AI is inherently dangerous. AI itself is neutral. Its impact, good or bad, depends on how humans use it. That's why ethical guidelines and regulations are essential. 9. AI is only for big tech companies. AI is more accessible than ever. From small businesses using AI tools for marketing to individuals using AI for creative projects, it's no longer reserved for Silicon Valley. 10. AI will soon be smarter than humans. AI is powerful, but it's narrow in scope. A general AI that matches human reasoning is a long way off. For now, AI excels in specific tasks, not broad intelligence. These are just some of the misconceptions about AI. While it's not the sentient overlord some fear, it's also not a flawless miracle worker. AI is a tool. What we make of it is up to us.